Kind of do this lab virtually. Here's kind of how to get started. We're going to have a marble that's going to roll down a ramp, and we want to measure how the distance it rolls depends on the distance, on the time that it has been rolling. So this link right here will open a spreadsheet that looks something like this, and you'll have to make a copy of it so that you can edit it. And so what we are going to do is for several different times, we're going to record the distance the marble has rolled. So back on Canvas right here, there's a link to a video, and what you want to do is actually download this video. So if you two-finger click on here, it'll actually open a menu, and depending on what browser you're in, you can save link as, or you can download link, or you can save target. Either one of those will download it, and once you download it, it'll be on your desktop, and it's just a video that shows a marble rolling down a ramp. Okay? And once you've downloaded it, you can use the left and right arrow keys on your keyboard to actually change the frame of the video. So you can scrub through the video to the beginning. And so what we want to do is we want to use the video to determine where is the ball, the marble, at several different times. So here's an easy data point. At 0 seconds, the marble is at 0 meters. So now we want to go to as close to 1/4 of a second as we can. So in the video file, you're going to use the right arrow key to advance until the timer in the top corner right here gets as close as you can to 0.25 seconds. You can't get exactly 0.25 seconds, so I'm going to use 0.28. So when the time is 0.28 seconds, the distance the marble has rolled, it looks like it's right about 0.7 or 0.8. We're using the middle of the marble here, so about 0.8. So this is going to be 0.8. Then I want to go somewhere near half a second. So back in the video, I will keep advancing till I'm near half a second. There's 0.55, there's 0.48. I'll use 0.48, and it looks at 0.48 seconds. It's about 1.4 centimeters. So 0.48 seconds, it's at 1.4 centimeters. So you're just going to keep doing this about every 1/4 of a second. So we did 0.48. Now we'll try to get close to 0.75. The closest we can get is 0.76. So that looks like the middle of the marble is right about 2.4. So 0.76 seconds, it's 2.4 centimeters. So you're going to keep collecting data till you fill the data table. And then you're going to have to make a mathematical model of your data. All right? So go ahead and collect your data. And then if you want to make a math model, you'll have to kind of review what we did before. So I'll just give you a quick hint here. If you have your data, this is time, and this is distance. You're going to graph it and see what it looks like. So you're going to insert a chart, and that chart is going to be a curve. It looks like a parabola. So that tells us that what we actually have to do is square the time. So you're going to copy your data, and you're going to paste it. So this is what we did a couple days ago. We're going to clobber all the times. This is going to be time squared in seconds. And we are going to take this number, is going to be this number to the power of 2. And I'll copy that down, and so I squared all my times. And so this is going to give me a straight line, and I want to find the equation of that straight line, okay? And all you're going to do is turn in a screenshot of your graph when you're finished. There's a checklist about all the things your graph needs to have. It's in your toolbox, so make sure you do that before you turn your graph in, okay? So that's how you do the lab.